So I need to just again add new terminal here. So npm start okay, I need to go to front end folder and then npm start. Okay, it's starting now. So meanwhile it is starting, you can see this structure of my project. See, this is my backend. This is a simple main.py which I have used it here. So I'm using MCP use, right, and using this MCP agent, MCP client of it, right, fast API, right, for to make API calls, LangChain API, OpenAI, right. So and just for logging, temp file, JSON, right. So if you can just see a quick view here. So whenever we register any MCP, right, through UI, it will create this MCP JSON here. Like, see, I have already registered here, right, whether MCP, right, whether MCP, and this, right, it is using stdio, right. So this file is here only. Okay, and then uv command, right, which actually runs this, right, and it gets the, right, it invokes this file and we gets the response. Similarly, I have added some third-party MCPs also. So I